In this video I am talking about this brand new Panasonic LUMIX 85 f1.8 S lens. Okay, as you can see, this is a little bit different than my usual reviews of lenses. Got this lens still in the box. We're gonna do unboxing, very quick unboxing, and first reaction, first look to what I think, and we'll see what it looks like as well. And then I'm gonna take it out to shoot some pictures and videos with it to show you what the quality is. Presumably very good. It's Panasonic, it's LUMIX. But before we do that, I must say massive thanks to UK Digital and Panasonic UK for lending me this pre-release copy of the lens for this review. However, I wasn't asked or paid to say anything specific about it, so it is my honest and unbiased opinion about it. So okay, let's do this. Okay, let's open the box for the first time. It's brand new. Okay, I think that's how you do it. Okay, we got a small box. We got some plastic. Then we got a lens. Got some more plastic and some more boxes for padding. So firstly, I thought when I picked this up, I thought this is very small box for 85mm, especially the Panasonic one, LUMIX lens. But to be honest, the box has got a lot of padding. So let's get rid of this box. So what have we got in the box here? We got lens instructions. Who has ever read lens instructions? This is actually quite big. If you ever read lens instructions, please let me know in the comments below. We got the plastic padding, not important stuff. Cardboard padding, less important stuff. The lens and something else in here, which I presume is the hood. Can't even open this. There you go. Okay, more cardboard. So simple, very simple plastic lens hood. Nice. And the start of the show, let's have a look at this. Okay, this is very interesting. This is really small. Never mind Panasonic small. This is very nice size for 85mm lens. It's light as well. It's not bad at all. Let's have a look what it looks like. Quite small glass element for 85mm. It's like 67mm the filter thread. It's got only one switch, the auto manual focus switch on the side, and nothing else. It feels good. It is very nice lens. This I am surprised because I thought if it was the size of the box, I would be very happy. That would be still small for Panasonic. This is tiny. This is actually very nice size. Comparing that to the 50mm they got now, this is like microscopic. It's miniature. This is a very nice feel to the lens. It's got nice quality and it feels right away. So let's put it on the camera, take it out and see how it performs. So it's not a surprise with the LUMIX lens, Panasonic LUMIX lens, that it is super sharp and it's amazing at autofocusing. There's no issues at all working with this lens. It's not slow. It's as you would expect from the high quality lens. It is high quality lens. Considering how big the prime lenses we had from Panasonic and Sigma for L mount way before, this is very desirable size and weight. Until recently there was literally no other 85mm lens for full frame Panasonic, but Sigma have released the 85mm f1.4 the GDN lens only like 2 months ago, and it's kind of competing with this, but it's not, because firstly Sigma is 1.4 lens, this is 1.8, and the price of Sigma lens is slightly higher. This will retail for, strangely enough, £599 in UK and $599 in US. You tell me why the same price when there's exchange rate difference. But yes, the Sigma is heavier, bigger, more expensive than this, so they're kind of two different beasts. The 85 1.4 from Sigma and this simply a lighter, cheaper 85 1.8 from Panasonic. This is the first out of 4 f1.8 prime lens the Panasonic is going to be releasing very soon. So it is 85 obviously, but I presume there will be a 50, 35 and 24 as well coming out very soon. And they all will be the same weight and the same size with the same 67mm diameter thread. This will help hugely if you are into filmmaking and you use the gimbals. It'll be great to be able to change lenses without have to rebalance the gimbal. Also, you will know the weight, the size of all of them. It will be the same. This lens and the series of them is designed to improve the performance, autofocus performance of S5, but also other S cameras in the Panasonic lineup. And there's a new firmware to improve the autofocusing of S cameras coming out later this month, late November 2020. As I said before, this is fairly light lens and it weighs only 335 grams. The minimum focusing distance is approx 80 centimeters. It's the same as most 85mm that I have used before. I wish the 85s could focus tiny bit closer, but it's not a problem as such. The bokeh this lens creates is actually very nice, and it's not really surprising from the lens in this class and at this price range. It is nice. It's not clinical and it's not featureless. It's got a lot of character. It's got nice, rounded, swirly look to it, which I don't really like. Who's it for? This is a definitely lens for anyone who wants to save the penny or two, because it is very well priced for the 85mm L mount lens. It is a great lens for portrait photography, but also for everyday photography, videography, as well as a product photography if your products are not too small, because if they are that small, you will struggle to get your minimal focusing distance work for smaller items. But generally speaking, it does work for most of everyday applications. Conclusion: I do like this lens, not only because of its size and it's easy to carry around and it's light, of course, but it delivers actually very nice quality for the price. This is definitely a great competition to the Sigma 85mm. It is simpler, but there is no other Panasonic 85mm available for a full frame camera right now. So if you do need 85mm for your Panasonic camera, this could be it. I really recommend it. I think it's a great lens, and yeah, I like it. And this is it for this video. If you liked it, please give me the thumbs up. And if you enjoy this kind of content, cameras, lenses, reviews, and very occasional tutorial, then please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Anyone knows the price of this? Is it affordable? What is it? I wasn't asked or paid to say it out loud, but it's got this. Don't even know what I'm talking about. Nobody have ever told me not to film outside in UK. I had a sunshine, rain, wind, everything in a space of 20 minutes. Conclusion. I don't know what the conclusion really is.